Upgrades to the Apple Watch Ultra's launch model from 2022 may be on the way with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. We're interested to see how the business will enhance the second-generation device now that it has a smartwatch designed for runners and outdoor sports aficionados. The Apple Watch Ultra is the Apple smartwatch with the most upscale features in comparison to the Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple Watch SE 2022. The Apple Watch Ultra has a number of impressive features, including a big screen, twice the battery life, an additional action button, and a built-in siren. According to your demands, we discovered it may even be able to replace an iPhone. While the Apple Watch Series 9 hasn't been the subject of many speculations, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 rumors are already starting to circulate. Here's everything you can anticipate from the next Ultra smartwatch, from a potential release date and price to new features and improvements that might make it one of the greatest smartwatches yet. Along with the Series 8 and SE models, the Apple Watch Ultra made its debut in 2022. According to certain reports, the Apple Watch Ultra won't be upgraded every year but rather in 2024. The Apple Watch Ultra would update at the same rate as the more affordable Apple Watch SE, assuming a 2024 release date. While the second-generation Apple Watch SE premiered in 2022, the first-generation model was released in 2020. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 will, however, be unveiled in the autumn of 2023 along with the iPhone 15 lineup, claims Mark Gurman. The Apple Watch Ultra 2, also known as N210, will reportedly be unveiled during Apple's September event this year, according to Gurman's Power Up newsletter, which suggests that the release of Apple's second-generation rugged wearable may not be far off. The trustworthy Ming-Chi Kuo, a second analyst, also said in a report in July that the Apple Watch 2 should be released this autumn. One of the primary distinctions between the Apple Watch 8 and Apple Watch Ultra is price. There is presently just one LTE-compatible option available for the fixed-price $799 Apple Watch Ultra. That is the same starting price as the entry-level iPhone 14, and it is twice what the Apple Watch Series 8 starts at. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.